I'm Johnny Knoxville, and this is called the turtle.
Yeah, we're turtling our friend Tenny's bag.
The black one.
I don't know how much time we have for this, because my memory's getting full soon. But let's try this.
Just delete the basketball shit.
Yeah, that was really bad. I can delete it after we're done.
Okay. This is how you turtle a bag. Take all this.
They're not coming yet.
Take all this shit out.
And then we just like leave it there as a package on the table again.
And then hold on. No, we're not doing anything!
He's coming, go, go, go! Just zipper it up! Just zipper it up! He's coming, just zipper it! Run with it, run with it, just throw it!
Throw it!
No, shit! I have the bag! No, shit! He's coming! Here's the bag. Ah!
My bag, look.
I threw it over there. YouTube, and that's how you get caught turtling a bag. But it was really close.